Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. Today we will try to understand that after being rejected by the 8 cents resistance, where the price action can go and how much it can be dropped in the future. First of all, we will take a look at this bearish shark pattern that is formed on the weekly chart, and after that we will watch the different support and resistance levels and the head and shoulder patterns and a bullish crab pattern that is being completed on this daily chart. First of all, I would like to take you back to my previous article that I shared with you in my previous video as well. First, I posted this article where I revealed that the price action of Stellar has completed the formation of this bearish shark pattern on this long-term weekly chart. This was the initial leg, then the price action retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, then projected between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg, and finally it retraced and just hit a spike in this potential reversal zone that starts from 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci level. And after entering or just hitting a spike in this potential reversal zone, now on this live chart, this is a weekly live chart, we can see that the price action is dropping down, and so far it has dropped well. If I place this Fibonacci retracement tool on this price action from this C to D leg, then we can see that so far the price action has been retraced up to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, and it can also retrace up to golden ratio, that is 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. If it will be retraced up to that level, then we can expect a retracement up to 5.3 cents. And if it will be dropped up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, then we can expect a drop up to 4.2 cents. Now, if we watch the different support and resistance levels, then finally the price action has been rejected very clearly from 8 cents resistance. That is really very strong resistance. We can see that it has been working as powerful resistance since after August 2019, and the price action has been several times rejected by this resistance level, even after several strong attempts to break out this resistance level. But so far the price action is not able to break out this level, and this was the last attempt that we have seen. So far the price action is again rejected by this resistance level, and now the price action is at the previous support, that is at 6 cents. Even the price action has hit the spike up to 5.8 cents, so it is at this support of 6 cents. And if this support will be broken down, then we have the last support or the previous support, that is at 4.5 cents. And if this 8 cents resistance level will be broken out, then we have the 10 cents resistance, then we have 13 cents, and from 13 cents up to 20 cents, we don't have any significant resistance level. We can see there is no major resistance between this level, and this is almost 53% gap, and this 53% gap will be filled within no time period, within a very short time period. This gap will be filled, and after that we have another resistance at 23 cents. Now, if we watch this daily chart, then we can observe that first the price action formed this head and shoulder pattern that was started from 17th of December, then on 18th of January up to 23rd of January. The left shoulder was completed, and the formation of head was completed on 26th of Feb. Then finally the price action formed the right shoulder, and the right shoulder was completed on 8th of March, and even the price action broke down the neck of this head and shoulder pattern and dropped down up to 2.6 cents. That was really very low price. Now the price action is again likely to form another head and shoulder pattern. For example, if we initiate this head and shoulder pattern and start it from here, then this can be the left shoulder, and this can be the head, and here we can expect that the head formation can be ended or finished, and the price action can start the formation of the right shoulder from here up to almost this level, and it can drop all the way down after that. So we can expect an upward movement from this level where the price action has found a very strong support, as we have seen that we have really very strong resistance support level at 6 cents at this level. And this is the same level where we have the neck of this head and shoulder pattern. For example, if this head and shoulder pattern will be completed and the price action will be down from the completion of this head and shoulder, then if the price action will be dropped up to this level, that is a 6 cents support, then the head and shoulder pattern will be completed. There is no mandatory for the price action to drop down more than this neckline. However, the price line can be dropped down like it was dropped here back in March 2020. And in my previous video, I shared another pattern with you guys, and that was the expected formation of bullish bad pattern. This was the initial leg, and the second leg, the A to B leg, was retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. Then we had the Fibonacci projection between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. And finally, the price action retraced up to 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level. Here the price action moved up, give an upward spike, and I'm just playing this chart. We can see that the price action again tried to move up, but finally broke down this support of this bullish bad pattern. Therefore, in my previous video, I told you that if this potential reversal zone will be broken down, then we should consider it as a stop loss, because if this level will be broken down, then it can go more down for the formation of bullish crab pattern. And at this time, the price action is moved more down for the formation of this bullish crab pattern. So far, it has hit the spike up to 5.9 cents, and this potential reversal zone of this bullish crab pattern starts from 5.6 cents and ends up to 4.88 cents. So we can expect some more spike to downside up to this potential reversal zone for the completion of this bullish crab pattern. And this Fibonacci projection, that is the projection of A to D leg, starts from 6.3 cents and ends up to 7.8 cents, almost you can say up to 8 cents. So here we can, if we want to take it as a single trade, then we can buy it here and we can place our sell orders here. However, after when the price action will be entered in this potential reversal zone, then we can expect another upward move from here, because this is the potential reversal zone of this bullish crab pattern. And here we have also our last support of 4.5 cents. For example, this potential reversal zone, the maximum extent of this potential reversal zone ends at 4.8 cents. And if we watch our last support level, that is at 4.5 cents. So here from this level, we can expect a bullish divergence or a bullish reversal move up to this Fibonacci projection, that is the projection of A to D leg. So this was the update so far by the XLM price action. If there will be more updates, I'll definitely share with you if I'll watch more developments by the XLM. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel, and do share my videos as well, and do share your opinions and suggestions and questions in the comment section as well. Take care. Goodbye.